Okay, so you might have seen files like this if you've ever exported them from the Photos app on your Mac or on your iPhone or iPad. And these are HEIC, High Efficiency Image Container. Basically, high quality files, but they're a smaller size than, say, JPEG, PNG, or TIFF. But these files might not be compatible with someone you want to send it to, or you would just prefer them in JPEG or PNG. Or perhaps you've got to upload them to a site and it's specifying a particular file type and it's not this. So how do you convert it? Well, I'm going to show you here on the Mac, and I'm going to show you as well on the iPhone. And how you do it on the iPhone is the same way that you do it on your iPad. So all you need to do is select a file, just right click it, and down here in Quick Actions, you'll see Convert Image. Click on it. You now get the choice of JPEG, PNG, and HEIF, which is another high efficiency format. I'm going to go with JPEG. The size could be the actual size, large, medium, or small. So maybe you want to reduce the size so you can send it to someone. Maybe you're sending it online and you just want to keep the file down. I'm actually going to go for actual size here. And then when I choose Convert to JPEG, boom, there it is. Okay, I'm just going to delete that. Let's move it to the bin. Okay, so what if you want to do more than one at the same time, or maybe even all of them? Well, you can just click on the first one you want to change, hold down the Command key, and then click on others that you want. And if you've selected one you don't want, you can just click on it again. Then you just right click, choose Quick Actions, and then you just do Convert Image. I'm going to come off of that. You can actually select all of them by just clicking and dragging over them. Or if I click off of it, you can do Command A, select all of them, right click, do your Quick Actions, and then just do Convert Image. Let's do something different. Let's go to the PNG. Let's do the actual size. Preserve metadata saves all of this information you see down the side here. You can untick that and it will get rid of it. You won't see that there yet. But let's do Convert to PNG or PNG, and it's taking a moment to do it, and boom, there you go. That's all done. I'm going to undo it because I'm going to use the same folder to show you how to do this on your iPhone. So this is my iPhone. I've got the same files here. As I said, this works the same way on the iPad. So if I want to change one of them, I can just tap and hold. You'll see if I scroll down, there's Quick Actions, and I can go to Convert Image. And again, I've got the same selection of JPEG, PNG, PNG, and HEIF. HEIF is basically going to give me the same file extension as these HEIC, and that, again, may not be compatible. It might make them a bit smaller than these HEIC ones, but let's not do that. You get a little message because I cancelled it. But what if I want to select more than one? Well, top right-hand corner, you've got three dots here. Just tap on that, go to Select. You can choose which ones you want, or you can do Select All in the top left. So I'm just going to tap on that. They're all selected. Bottom right-hand corner, there are three dots. Tap on that. There's my Quick Actions. Let's go to Convert Image. Let's go for JPEG. That's a pretty nice standard one. I'm going to go for Original. It's always good to do the largest image size that you can because that just keeps the quality. But if it's too big and you want to reduce the size, then you can choose one of the others and see if that works for you. I'm going to go for Original, and there you go. That's done. You can see it's got my little cloud symbol there because it's going to upload it to the iCloud. This folder is on the iCloud, always a good way to back up. So I hope that's helped you out. Really useful if you need to upload files, things like documents, passports, driver's license IDs, all of that. Sometimes these HEIC is not compatible. So there you go. That's what you can do. So I hope this has been helpful. As you can see, it's actually quite easy to do. If you do like this, please do like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more. Do check out my channel. There are well over 500 videos there, and I'm adding to it all the time. Thanks for watching.